Hi mga langga, good morning. Mag-check out na tayo. Iba dito, kailangan mo linisin yung room o yung example caravan bago ka aalis. Yan, nilinis na namin. Yan. Yan. Yan, linis yan. Yan, yung fridge. Oh, may milk pa dito. May milk. Yan. Tapos ready na yung mga ano namin. Nandun na sa sasakyan. Yan. Tapos, bago tayo uuwi sa bahay, dadaan na tayo sa ating Park. Oh my beast. Maaga pa naman ngayon, 9 in the morning. Yan, malinis. Nilinis na namin. Yan, oh. Ay. Yan, oh. Yan, dito. Yan, malinis na siya. Wala na problema. Okay, mga langga, let's go! Mga langga, check out na tayo. Bigay lang namin yung sources na information. Pag dito kayo mag-check-in, punta kayo first dito sa reception para kukunin yung susi. Yan. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa ating Park.
Nice. Look at the hat.
Wow.
Wow.
Dito na tayo mga langga sa loob ng ating Park. Nag-carsik ako kanina. Papunta dito. Kaya huminto kami sa sa gilid ng daan para ma-okay. Yan, maganda dito. Looks like Castle we've been before, Boys Castle.
No, it's
It's like the area.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Malawak naman yung parking lot nila. Free kami langga kasi member kami ng National Trust. Yung house state kasi siya, owned by National Trust. Kaya dalhin yung card. Oh, it's quite busy here, yes.
For me, maganda yung panahon ngayon. Hindi gaano mainit. Malamig konti. Yan, dito na tayo sa loob. Dito yung reception.
So you are, if I can find your spot, here. If you carry on this pavement here and keep the railing to your left, take it to the main facilities courtyard. Okay, cafeteria on your right, gift shop on your left, second-hand bookshop, which is really good. Toilet straight ahead.
Okay, cool.
Just past the cafeteria and restaurant, there's an archway. If you go through there and go right and right again, that'll take you to the front of the house. That is open until 4 o'clock.
Okay, cool,
so
yeah.
you're free
Yeah,
to go and have a mooch. If you want to do a mile walk, keep the river to the right, and that'll take you straight back to the facilities.
That looks
courtyard.
nice. Do that.
Yeah.
That is the walled garden. That's worth a visit as well, and the orchard. If you want to go and see the deer, in front of the house it declines over 2 small bridges. Have a look out for the otter. There's an otter family that's just set up home there, which is brilliant.
Oh,
and
otters.
the deer are all around that part there.
Oh, yeah.
That's a 3-mile walk, and that's a 4-mile walk. That one is a 2-mile walk. So, but everything will bring you back down to here, so you can't
Okay,
get lost.
Okay.
okay. Thank you. Thanks for
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, we see some otters, babe.
Yeah. Ito yung maganda pag member ka ng National Trust, no need to pay. Oh, yan. Scan lang nila.
This looks like a really nice place.
Yeah. Malaki yung area. Oh.
Oh. There was like a series like about the house and stuff, like
Like,
people working inside it and stuff. Like, you know, like a
what's that series that I'm watching?
I think
I think
all I want to know is like what TV series, like, you know, like Pride and Prejudice and things like that.
yeah.
It really looks impressive. Looks insurance. At least the thingy coordinates took you straight in.
Yeah. This is the main entrance here. You can take your animals here. Yeah. Have some cafe. Nice. Have some shops and historical stores. Ito yung bibilhin ko lang K-ring with magnet and patches. That's this one.
Look at that, Mum.
Is this
It's good.
fudge? So you're not going to buy mom fudge and now it's still fudge.
First
And
thing, like,
what's this one? Bread? Butter,
yeah, but
shortbread.
I just think we didn't get anything.
Yeah. Meron silang mga food dito. Mango chutney, curd.
Shall we get that?
Yeah, cookies.
Yeah, that's it. Organic
That's for
bulk or
my
something. There's only a little small one.
mother-in-law.
Or shall I get that? Looks impressive.
Looks like this one nice. No? How much is the eco bag, babe? Yan, magandang area. Oh. Pasok tayo. Ito, punta sa mansion and walled garden. Yan. This place is more on nature lover. More on trees.
Nature lover.
And we
Richard Sampson. His face looks like he likes it.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
It's like
2 hours away from our place, 2 hours from Leicester.
daming mga ano ngayon tao.
Ibit.
May visit. Meron din silang ano, sign. Then this one, going to World Garden. We're going first.
Mansion this way.
Mansion. Punta muna tayo sa mansion. Visit muna tayo sa mansion. We'll visit our mansion.
You transport for people who can't.
Yeah, if they
That's pretty good.
if they
That's pretty
tired
impressive.
walking. Free transport. Nice ground. It has. Is it bluebells plants? Small.
Wow.
Wow. First, punta tayo sa mansion. Is it real tulips or fake?
No, no.
Oh, looks nice. Oh. Tulips. Real tulips. Para siyang plastic, oh. Yeah, because we love flowers.
Big land, isn't it?
Yeah. Ito yung mansion. State house. Punta tayo dito sa harap. Malawak yung ano area. Malaki siya sa labas. Yan. Punta tayo doon kasi andun si Richard. Iniwan ako kasi of course nag-picture tayo para souvenir. Hindi kasi mahilig sa picture. Dapat isang bisis lang or two. Eh tayo alam naman. Thousands of pictures. Ang gala. Sayang. Ganda yung bahay doon, oh. Mga langga, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click nyo naman yung notification bell para every time meron akong video, ma-update kayo. Thank you. Ganda, oh. Pine tree. Hi, Samson is here. Where you been? Hi.
We'll go in the house first, then we'll go down.
Yeah.
I can't see any otters.
We decided we weren't doing the second course as well. The first course was enough. It will be laid out, as I say, on Wednesday for the visitors and then
An extra.
and on Thursday. So, good afternoon. May I
Thank
take
you.
a sample of a read? Don't need the fire on. The fire lit at the same time. So, yes, I'm just.
Ito naman langga. Ito yung footman's room during 1800. Yan. Yung tagabihis ng lords during that time. Oh, ito yung iron. Ito yung sa footman's room, yung tagalinis ng shoes, cleaning shoes and clothes with the Lord. Yun siya. Meron ding wine. Yan, ito yung mga shoes na lilinisin ng footman. Lagyan ng kiwi. Dito tayo sa the room na bibake ng mga sweets and cake. Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, what's this room for? This was the servants.
Servants
Where
room.
they would use
Oh, okay.
hence the plates on the wall.
No, I was
Yeah.
the lady said about
Laundry maid.
there's two cooking.
Ito yung ano nila, kitchen table.
There's a small kitchen.
Dito sila kakain.
Housekeeper.
That's right. Yeah.
But the kitchen here is Victorian. The rest of the house is
May cake sila. After sila kakain ng meal.
Oh, okay. And they would know for servants.
Ito lang yung uniform nila.
would have had a lot of
Ng servants.
But the butler, the housekeeper, they would
Head
eat in the
maid, housemaid.
Yeah.
and they would be waited on.
Yeah. So I'm watching.
Oh yes, but hence the barrel on
There's
the
the
table.
butler and the
It would be
butler.
bigger than that, something like that. Water wasn't
Head
always
coachman. Dito na tayo sa labas. Baby, can see here, oh, the footman, footman door, pagdating yung ano nila, Lord, para mag-greet sila dito sa harap. Dito sila dadaan. Sarado na. Mga langga, ito yung sa likod ng State Mansion.
Yan siya. Yan. Yan, dito kami. Yan. Oh. What's that? Mga langga, don't forget to like and subscribe. And click nyo naman yung notification bell para pag meron akong bagong video, updated kayo. Nainis ako kanina kasi ayaw niya magpicture ng marami. Pangit ang kuha. Sabi niya, ay picture ka naman ulit. Yun. Siguro uwi na tayo. Kasi dito kami sa labas na may mga deer. Tapos na yung tour natin dito sa State Mansion. And then we'll go back to Leicester. And then we're late. And thank you very much mga langga for supporting my channel. Sana di kayo magsasawa. Maliit pa yung channel ko. Mahiya pa akong mag-vlog kaya hindi ako gaano nag-ano sa mga public places. Wala kasi gaano nag-vlog dito. Yan, nahiya ako. Hindi pa ako gaano magaling mag-vlog. Yes. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Laban lang para sa future. May small pond there, ha. Punta muna tayo sa unahan. Meron siguro tayong makikitang there. Yung kahoy na yan, yung nagpa-picture ko kanina, yan yung 600 years old. Maganda yung panahon ngayon kahit malamig. Wala gaanong tao ngayon. Ano na kasi 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Woodland Walk, Deer Park Walk, Deer Park Walk, Berwick Memorial. Oh, merong ano doon, cemetery. Mga langga, it's raining a bit. It's spitting.
Yeah, sort of misty spray.
Buti hindi malakas. May bridge dito. Oh, this is a bridge. Daan tayo sa bridge. Yan, oh. Nagutom na ako. Nagluto ako ng boiled egg.
Can you look out for otters?
Ano sure, otters. Kain tayo mamaya doon sa sasakyan. Gutom ako sa paglibot-libot ng mansion area. Yan. Tingnan nyo, malangga. Ganda siya. Walled garden. Dito na tayo. Malapit na tayo matapos. Oh. Wow. Kahit umuulan, rain or shine, I'm hungry.
McDonald's 2 hours ago.
I just ate pancake, 3 pieces.
Oh, you should have had these sausage.
I'm not feeling well. Looks nice. Cannot go there. Test barrier. Oh, looks nice. Hanap siya ng otter. Hindi pa rin niya mahanap. Yan, dito na tayo langga sa likod ng mansion. Tapos na yung tour natin. Yeah.
Just in time for it. So
Yeah, long time to walk. Like, you walk maybe 2 hours?
yeah, you could go out. It'd be nice.
Yeah.
Go for a walk. That's the beginning. That's the start of it. I think.
Yan, dyan tayo kanina.
So we go back to our.
Oh, it's raining. Where? There? Or there?
There, we can go back.
Yeah. Tapos na tayo mga langga. Umuulan na. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye, Richard. Bye.
Bye.
I wanna see you again, see you again. I don't wanna pretend. Let's do it again, do it again. It's worse when you're not here.